സോ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും നമ്മുടെ ചാനലുകളിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് കേരളത്തിൽ പഠിച്ച് നീറ്റിൽ റാങ്ക് വാങ്ങിച്ച കുട്ടികളുടെ സക്സസ് സ്റ്റോറി, തമിഴ്നാട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന പഠിച്ച് നീറ്റിൽ റാങ്ക് വാങ്ങിച്ച സക്സസ് സ്റ്റോറീസ്, കർണാടക അങ്ങനെയുള്ള കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ കൂടെയുള്ള ഒരു ഫാമിലി തമിഴ്നാട്ടിൽ നിന്നും ഫൗണ്ടേഷന്റെ കോഴ്സ്, അതും 8th പഠിക്കുന്ന ഫൗണ്ടേഷന്റെ കോഴ്സ് പഠിച്ച് ആ ഒരു കുട്ടി ജസ്റ്റ് നമ്മുടെ ക്യാമ്പസ് ടൂറിന് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് ആ കുട്ടിയോട് ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ചോദിക്കാം. സോ വാട്ട്സ് യുവർ നെയിം?
Premalakshmi.
Okay, Premalakshmi. You're coming from?
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, from Tamil Nadu.
Tirunelveli.
Tirunelveli. Okay. Her name is Premalakshmi and she's coming from Tirunelveli. You're studying at class 8th.
Yes.
So, how do you hear about the foundation courses of Brilliant? First of all, from where do you hear the term Brilliant?
From the websites, from the entrance coaching websites, and my friends referred me a bit.
Okay, your friends has referred you. Okay, then do you think that there is some difficulty while learning the foundation based on the class and also the foundation or the things that has been taken from the school? Do you think that there is any problem based on that?
Based on balancing both of them, it was hard at first, but as the days goes on, it becomes easier and much more refreshing work to do.
Okay, at the beginning stage there were some difficulties. Then how do you overcome that? Since you have told that at the first stage there was some problem, how do you overcome that?
Well, I never gave up on my journey, kept persistent and consistent, believed a lot on Brilliant, and here I am.
Okay, you have seen the campus, you have traveled from Tamil Nadu to Pala and you have seen our campus. So what do you feel? What's the happiness that you have got from here?
Well, I've just got the happiness I'll always get from seeing my long distance best friends.
Okay, you have seen, then you have also seen some of the faculties also.
Yes.
Then, how do you feel that?
Very refreshing. Seeing much of my professors have been a great opportunity, a blessing I don't know if I'll ever get again.
Okay, so you have seen that the foundation course is the sense that's the basic of entrance. So how do you cope up with the exam? How are you coping with your studies? Sometimes the chapter here will be ahead of that of school. So how can you overcome the marks?
First, I will see the videos which are coming from Brilliant Pala Study Center, and seeing the lectures and studying that thoroughly and understanding the concept will not. After that, the school will not be such a hard challenge.
Okay, so it's making the chapters more and more easier. Okay, so you as a student, we will be having doubts.
Yes.
So if you're having a doubt, how are you clarifying it? What are process the Brilliant is providing for you?
In the doubt clearing sessions, I always get many opportunities to clear my doubts, and also in the lecture videos, we get the phone number of the professors and they are always available to ask our doubts.
Okay, it means that you are getting a live doubt clearance section.
Yes,
Yes. So that live doubt clearance section has helped you a lot.
of course.
Okay. So last, how have you ended? Since you are from Tamil Nadu, what are the steps you have taken to enter into Brilliant? Can you just share it to our subscribers?
First, just register in the Brilliant Pala website for the first screening test in whichever grade you are. Enroll for that, study, do your best, write the screening test, and I'm sure a lot of you will get it. And when you enter Brilliant Pala, just be consistent and believe them.
On the September 29, we are arranging a screening test for the foundation courses. Those students who are having an interest and to have a better future, you can write that exam. It's an exam which is based on the subject that you have studied on the previous classes and on the present class up to the Onam exam. The main test will be from the subject science and maths. So just crack the exam and just be a brilliant student. So thank you once again.
Thank you.
എൻട്രൻസ് സംബന്ധമായ വാർത്തകളും അപ്ഡേഷനുകളും ഏറ്റവും വേഗം ആധികാരികമായി അറിയാൻ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റഡി സെന്റർ പാല യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ അമർത്തുക. ഈ വീഡിയോ മറ്റ് സുഹൃത്തുക്കളിലേക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് നൽകുക.